Okay, in this video I'm just going to tie up a few loose ends here. I taught you a variety of ways of creating charts in Excel, but there is another tool called the Quick Analysis tool that will allow you to create charts as well. So I'm going to select this data here, and notice after I select the data how you have this little button here. This is called your Quick Analysis button. And when you click on the Quick Analysis button, it offers you a variety of different choices. Formatting, charts, totals, tables, spark lines. And so if we go over and we look at charts, we'll see that you can from here quickly create either a column chart, bar chart, or you could go to more, right? So if I wanted to create say a column chart, I just click on it and then boom, the chart is created. And you can see that you can still do all the same customizations or move the chart just like you did with anything else. So that's kind of a nice feature. And the quick analysis tool could also be used. So let's say if I highlight this range here, you could also use it to do totaling. So if I were to go to totals here, I could say, hey, I want to do a sum of all of those or an average of all of those. And basically, it would do that. And so you can see here, these are sum of the rows, but this would actually give you a sum of the columns. So it would do it to the right of it. You can see the difference there with the yellow up and down here versus these guys are blue down at the bottom. And then you see the arrow here, so there's even more. So you have sum column, average column, count column. So that's also a nice little feature. And that, just so you know you're not going crazy looking for it, that is the quick analysis tool. All right, and then the other thing I wanted to show you quickly was you do have the ability to do word art just like you did in Excel. And when you do word art, it's here under text and then word art. And so if you just want to be mindful that a lot of these are very similar. So you want to pay attention to which one they tell you, and you want to kind of match it exactly. So whatever one you end up picking that they want, when you click on it, you can just basically type, whatever your title is, okay? And then you can resize it exactly the same way. If you notice here in Excel that this is really floating above, on top of the sheet. It's not tied to a particular cell. See how it's like I can basically move it on top of anything. So if they want you to move it up, you want to kind of grab it from, you just want to be careful because a lot of times they want it above like the text or whatever. You can't grab it up top because if you do that, you're not going to be able to like push it. So it's better to grab it from the bottom and try to get it up as high as you can. And then if needed, you can kind of resize it as well. And I could actually make the font size smaller if I needed to, right? Like so. Okay. And you can, just kind of resize it that way to get it to fit in the space that you need to. But the key is here, watch, if I tried to move it from this, I wouldn't be able to get it up as high as if I grab it from the bottom, and then I can drag it up where I need it to be. So, all right, that pretty much concludes what I wanted to show for this video.